Okay, so now that we know the layout of the piano, we know our white keys, and we also know the function of our black keys, let's start learning our major scales. Okay, so we're going to start with the C major scale. Okay, middle C right there. Okay, now before we begin, there is a formula you could use to play any major scale. So you could use that formula to play the C major scale, F major scale, G, D, any major scale you would like. Okay, so basically the formula is whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Okay, whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. Okay, so let me explain what this means, right? Okay, so let's say we want to play the C major scale. So we put our thumb on C, okay, and we take a whole step. A whole step meaning we take two semitones or two half tones. Okay, so this hair to hair is a semitone. Hair to hair is a whole tone, all right? So from C to C sharp is called a semitone or half step. Okay, we want to take a whole step. Okay, so from C to D. All right, this is a whole step. Then the formula says we need to take another whole step, then a half step, then a whole step, okay, then another whole step, another whole step, then a half step. Okay, so as you could see, we started with C and we ended with C. Okay, so this is the C major scale. Okay, let's look at the finger position for our C major scale. Okay, so C will be played with our thumb. Our thumb is finger number 1. Our index finger is finger number 2. Our middle finger is finger number 3. Our ring finger is finger number 4. And our pinky finger is finger number 5. Okay, so we're going to start by putting our thumb on C. Okay, so the formula is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is what you call our C position, right? So we're going to place our thumb on middle C, and we're going to use 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, okay, so you should go ahead, practice this. Okay, you could do it slow. All right, okay, so using the same formula, let's try making the G major scale. Okay, so let's find G. Okay, so we start on G and we take a whole step, another whole step, a half step, a whole step, another whole step, another whole step, then a half step. So we have okay, so we're going to do the same thing, put our thumb on G and use the same formula or the same finger numbers, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, okay, so go ahead and practice all your major scales. Learn every single major scale, all 12 major scales using this formula.